This 45-second experiment might just change your fucking life. But for it to work, I need you to close your eyes. And yeah, I know what you're thinking. I'll just watch this with my eyes open. No, that defeats the whole point. So just trust me, close them. Now imagine this, it's 10 years from now, and your life is the exact opposite of what you wanted. You're stuck in a job you hate, surrounded by people you can't stand. You don't even recognize yourself anymore. And you're just not happy. You hate your life. One night, it's like 3 a.m., you're scrolling on your phone, and you see a picture of yourself from 10 years ago. And you think, if I could just go back, I'd change everything. You'd do it differently. You'd take the risks. You'd stop holding back. You'd give anything for that second chance. Now open your eyes. You just got it. You went back 10 years. Out of everyone who wanted that chance, you're the one who fucking got it. So now tell me, what are you gonna do with it?